It's dropping. Ugh. Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Peterson. I'm whispering today because Zoe's still sleeping and I have a surprise for her. Today is February 14th, which means two things. It's Valentine's Day and it's my 3-year anniversary with Zoe. Before we get in the video though, I made this for Zoe. Please enjoy. It's crazy how 3 years already feels like a full lifetime. A lifetime with someone who I get to wake up to every day. Who I get to watch grow and conquer the world. Someone who constantly pushes themselves and still has the strength to push me. Someone who's that perfect level of stubborn, who fights for what they believe in. Someone who cares, who loves, and who smiles. Someone who makes me laugh, who is talented to all ends. And someone who I know I can depend on. A lifetime it has truly been. A lifetime of great adventure and travel. A lifetime of unconditional love. And a lifetime of her. But it hasn't been a lifetime. And it's a lifetime that still awaits. Thank you, Zoe, for 3 wonderful years. I love you. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now we're gonna quickly surprise Zoe with a pancake breakfast this morning. Zoe loves pancakes and she loves whipped cream and raspberries, so we're gonna put that all together. It's safe to say Gordon Ramsay wouldn't be too happy with what I've made. I got her card here in a stuffy, and I'm gonna leave the whipped cream and syrup out because I know she's gonna want more sugar when she comes and eats it. So let's go wake her up. Happy anniversary to Zoe. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary to Zoe. I have a surprise for you.
Really?
Yeah. You come with me.
Liam! It's breakfast!
First bite. How's it taste? Excellent. I have one last surprise for Zoe, but she's gonna have to wait till after I'm done lecture, which will be 3 hours for me, but a second for you guys. All right, I'm just getting back from class and Zoe says she's got a surprise for me now. Oh, look at this. Wow, that is a lot of balloons. Yay. Look at that, beautiful. Probably one of the best grilled cheeses I've ever had. I'm gonna put a lot of cheese in that. Can we pop some of the balloons? Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day to all you cute couples out there and to all the people that are single. It's alright to be single. It's probably better if you're single. I prefer that. Would you? Alright, good. Zoe and I have been dating for 3 years now. Trez years. So how does it feel to be dating me after these last 3 years?
Really good. How has it been dating me through 3 years?
It's been great.
Talking to the mic, please.
Oh, sorry. It's been great.
I don't like that noise.
What noise? So every year, me and Zoe decide to do an experience rather than spend a lot of gifts for anniversary. So this year, where are we off to, Zoe?
California!
Boom! So for the next week and a half, we're going to be going down the coast, stopping at 8 different places along the way. That means...
I didn't stop you. You got a little hair.
Oh, thank you. We've been dating a long time now.
Oh, shut up.
And...
Get up.
This is a lot easier to talk down here, so I'm gonna talk down here.
Okay.
It's a lot more comfy. So that's gonna be it for today. We're leaving at 3 o'clock tomorrow morning for California, so we gotta get packed, ready, rested, all that kind of jazz. Do you know the sign-offs though?
What's the sign off?
The like, subscribe, do what you gotta do.
Oh.
Give them with that.
Like,
okay?
subscribe, do what you're gonna do.
And when will we see them?
And we'll see you tomorrow.
No. Like, subscribe, do what you gotta do. We'll see you guys Sunday in California.
There's a dragon! I'm gonna go!